Hello to you. Welcome to this 3-minute presentation of the reasons for Namibia to conduct international trade. The main thrust of what I'm going to say to you is coming from the idea that we are supposed to know how to create a digital storybook. So I'm basically illustrating that, but the idea that I want to bring into life is the reasons for Namibia to conduct international trade. So what are the reasons, or what are the steps that are involved for creating a digital storybook? Number one has to have an idea. Have an idea, as I've explained mine to you. After having an idea, you are to write the story. So this idea is supposed to be having a story that you want to bring into life, that you want the audience to understand, that you want the audience to capture. So my story is saying Namibia does not have the capacity or the resources to satisfy its own needs and wants. So in whatever digital story that I'm creating, my audience has to see that Namibia does not have the capacity nor the resources to satisfy its own needs. In my story, the audience has to see that the need for international trade, because there is a need to create jobs for the Namibian people. Therefore, these factors have to be brought into life. How do we bring these factors into life? We create a storyboard. So I want to consolidate my idea. I want to consolidate the story that I have by creating a storyboard. So the storyboard will basically capture the reasons for the story. So I'm bringing that into life and making it visible to my audience so that they are captured into the theme that I want to present to them. Finally, on my fourth slide, I'm going to show you the research and gather elements and building your story setup. After I've researched, I've gathered all the elements and I've built my story, I then bring all that information together. I bring all the collected information, that is the videos, the pictures captured on webcam, the voiceover that I'm doing right now. I put that together to consolidate and to emphasize my topic and to bring it into life. So in other words, it is important that when I'm doing this, I am able to relate to the audience so that they can have a picture of the direction that I want them to be captured into. And finally, it is important that since my story is about Namibia, all the explanations that I'm going to have, all the graphics that I'm going to have, all the pictures should point to the Namibian economy, should point to the Namibian society and the community, so that the students that I'm teaching can really understand the topic in the Namibian context. Thank you.